Now read Ta'awud and then Tasmiyah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
You have read well, mashallah, but little bit mistake. Please try to remove your mistake and repeat again this word.
أعوذ بالله
Okay, don't take your voice in your nose. It's the letter lam, like a'udhu.
بالله
Okay, listen. Repeat after me. Billahi.
بالله
Okay, and read Tasmiyah.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
You have read well, mashallah, but it's heavy voice letter, like hir rahman, hir
الرحمن
rahim.
الرحيم
Okay, your today's lesson time. Now is read from here.
إن الله لا يستحيي أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقه فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا ومن وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين الذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه ويقطعون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويفسدون في الأرض أولئك هم الخاسرون.
Okay, stop right here. You have read well, mashallah, but little bit mistake. And try to remove your mistake with this one.
إن الله
Well done. And this one.
إنه الحق
Read again.
إنه الحق
It's not in.
لا إنه الحق
Okay, please tell me, is it heavy voice letter or clear voice letter?
heavy
Please read with heavy voice, like annahul.
أنه الحق
Yes. Okay, and listen, and you read بعد ميثاقه ويقطعون ما أمره. Okay, so there is no work sign, and but you stop right here.
yeah, no, the reason why I stopped because thingy I couldn't see what was next.
Listen, you stop right here, but no problem due to need to take breath or any reason. But so apply the
Yeah.
rule, like وَيَقْطَعُونَ مَا أَمَرَ. Make the last letter sakin, and while joining read the complete preceding words, like وَيَقْطَعُونَ مَا أَمَرَ اللَّهُ بِهِ أَن يُوصَلَ وَيُفْسِدُونَ فِي الْأَرْضِ. Okay,
Okay.
are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, and this one, read.
الذين ينقضون
Please tell me, is it thick voice letter or thin voice letter?
thick
So please read with thick voice, like الذين ينقضون
الذين